Punctured tires have been a problem for all vehicle users, ever since inflated tires were first introduced. Even though there have been a lot of improvements in vehicles and automobile industries in general, this is one thing that still remains a problem for all of us. Thankfully, most modern vehicles these days use tubeless tires. Even though these tires require inflating them with air, solving flat tire issues is now very simple and can be done in an instant. Unlike older inflated tires, you don't have to change an entire tube in case of a flat tire. Instead, you can simply plug the compromised area and use the tire without any problem. And to do that, you need to keep a tire repair kit in your car at all times. Here are some things that you need to know if you are buying a tire repair kit. Tire repair kits are something that every vehicle owner should keep in the trunk of their vehicle alongside a spare wheel. This can literally save you a couple of trips to the repair shop, and most importantly get you out of a stranded area, in case your tire gets flat in the middle of nowhere. Today, we are going to take a look at the best tire repair kits available on the market, and try to find the best option for you. There are many products available to choose cheap tire repair kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap tire repair kit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tooluxe 35-piece set. I think a big tire repair set like the Rhino that we named our editor's pick might be more than you need, then consider a simpler one like this Tooluxe kit. Designed to allow you to easily repair any tubeless tire, Tooluxe's 35-piece set is simple to the point of austerity, but still contains the basic items you need to make the fix. Tooluxe's bright orange hard case contains rasp and needle tools, sealing lubricant, hex key, and 30 pieces of plug string. About the only item not included that you will need is a utility knife for trimming the rubber string you've used to plug the hole. The rasp and needle have simple sandblasted steel handles that Tooluxe says will give you good leverage for re-aiming out the puncture and inserting a plug. Tooluxe's case is slim for easy storage in your vehicle's cargo area, although some buyers feel it could have been made even more compact, given the small number of tools you get. Number 2. Rhino USA 86-piece. Rhino USA's tire repair kit costs a little bit more than basic kits, and comes with a lot of features that we really like. Standouts include metal tools with replaceable ends with Allen wrenches for changing tips, a depth stop on the insertion tool, valve stems and caps, dual foot pressure gauge, needleless pliers, and a quality fitted case. The kit comes with 12 repair strips and a utility knife to trim off ends. The distinctive bright Rhino green case makes it easy to find, which we appreciate in a sea of identical red and black cases. It's even Clark Advanced Testing Facility certified, one of the only automotive accessories of any kind we've run across with any provable testing. There are a handful of tire repair kits with slightly higher consumer ratings, like the number 3 Tooluxe, but Rhino offers a lifetime warranty with a 100% refund, and we've had good experiences with their US-based customer service in the past. Number 3. JACO TRX 50 Heavy Duty. JACO is well known in the off-road world for making outstanding tire pressure gauges and other useful products, but they also offer a well-equipped tire repair kit that would be a great choice for just about anybody. As the name implies, the TRX 50 is loaded with 50 pieces to give you everything you need to quickly plug a tire on your car, truck, SUV, trailer, or ATV. And JACO has outfitted this kit with top-quality repair cords that are designed to harden from the heat created by the friction of your tires as you drive down the highway or on the trail. But more than that, this kit also has the parts necessary to allow you to repair your tire valve. While this isn't a difficult job, JACO has included instructions on how to repair those valve stems and properly plug a tire, just in case you've never had to do it before. The JACO TRX 50 comes with 20 tire repair cords, T-handle spiral probe tool, T-handle insert tool, 2 replacement insert tool needles, 2 Allen keys, a pair of needle nose pliers, lubricant jar, 4-way valve tool, 8 valve extenders, 8 Schrader valve cores, 4 plastic dust caps, 4 metal dust caps, and a durable storage case to keep everything together. Number 4. BETOOLL 22-piece tire repair kit. Speaking of compact puncture repair kits, here's one that fits that bill perfectly. Despite being the physically smallest set in our list, BETOOLL's kit boasts a more comprehensive set of tools than some of the other basic products we found. BETOOLL provides you with corrosion-resistant steel-handled rasp and needle tools for preparing the puncture and inserting a plug, along with a jar of lubricant, a hex key, 2 valve stems, a valve stem tool, and 15 pieces of self-vulcanizing repair plug material. This tire plug kit is meant to let you repair any tubeless tire for on or off-road vehicles, trailers, or ATVs. All 22 pieces are organized in a soft zippered case, with just enough space to tuck everything in its place. This kit is small enough to be kept in your glove box. Its compact size also makes it well suited to being carried in a sports car where your cargo capacity may be limited. BETOOLL has 3 other kits to step up to, with more components, all priced under $20 at time of writing. BETOOLL backs up its tire repair kit with a full refund in the event of any manufacturing defect. Number 5. AUTOWN 62-piece tire repair kit. AUTOWN brings you this 62-piece puncture plug kit, which comes nicely organized in a red, hard plastic case. This is yet another well-equipped kit whose parts count focuses on the items you are mostly likely to need to address virtually any flat tire situation. There are steel T-handle tools to let you remount the puncture, and then insert the included self-vulcanizing plug material. AUTOWN also includes a replacement needle for the plug insertion tool. There are also 2 sets of pliers to help you remove both large and small nails and screws from the tire. This is a popular kit with members of the Tesla Motors Club. User Salisbury Sam says this plug kit includes lots of nice-to-haves like needle nose pliers, gloves, and so on for what is a dirty sticky job. User Mom says, this is what we carry on our trunk. If the cause of your flat tire is a faulty valve stem, there are 4 of them in this repair set, along with valve extenders and caps, and a valve core removal tool. Finally, AUTOWN throws in a utility knife to trim away excess plug material and a tire pressure gauge, so you can properly reinflate the tire. Among this product's most impressive features is how neatly everything fits inside the box. There is little wasted space, so you can carry this kit in your vehicle without sacrificing much trim capacity. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.